Excuse me, do you know the quickest way to Aspen? I have been driving all day with my family and need some help finding the correct route.
Yeah, but I can't help you out. I am in too much of a hurry to the Sound Tribe Sector 9 show to give you directions.
Well, could you please point me in the direction of somebody that might be able to help me? I'm very tired, and I have been driving for 16 straight hours from Texas.
A Texan? Yeah, I can point you in the direction of where you can go, and that's back where you came from.
I do not understand your rudeness toward me. I'm very tired and would like to make it to Aspen to get some sleep. I do not understand why you are so unwelcoming.
Colorado is closed. Go back home, Texan. We do not want your kind here.
Let me guess. You are one of those self-absorbed douchebag Colorado natives that my friends have warned me about. You have a sense of entitlement about everything and use Texas as a vessel for your own insecurities.
Texas sucks. All Texans suck.
How so?
All of Texas can go to hell. All of you are so close-minded.
As a Texan, anything I can do to change your mind?
Well,
No?
no.
See. You are fucking retarded. The only thing you know about my state is that you hate it, nothing else.
All Texans are stupid right-wing assholes that love George Bush, drive big gas guzzler SUVs that are totally not eco-conscious, and listen to country music, while ruining our planet constantly looking for places to drill for oil.
You're absolutely right. All 30 million Texans are doing that exact thing right now. Even the black people, the Mexican people and the Asian people are all stupid right-wing assholes that love George Bush, drive big gas guzzler SUVs that are totally not eco-conscious, and listen to country music while ruining our planet constantly looking for places to drill for oil. How fucking high are you?
Only fairly high.
Perhaps you shouldn't smoke so much weed if you don't want to be such a useless idiot.
No, it's okay, because I have my MMJ medical marijuana card.
Medical marijuana card? That is fucking hilarious. What is your ailment?
Chronic pain.
What? Chronic pain in your neck from licking your own balls too much? Get over it. You have no ailment whatsoever. You just heard from your buddy in Boulder that you could get your medical marijuana card for no reason at all the last time you were there for 420. You are just looking for an excuse to be high all the time without being hassled by the police while making your drugs more readily available to you through your local dispensary.
I do not go to the dispensary. I have a caregiver who grows my medicine for me and gives me 2 ounces of meds per month.
Well, perfect. Now you can get high whenever you want without having to be employed at all.
I am employed.
What do you do?
I sell pot.
Of course you do.
Would you like to buy some weed?
Are you fucking kidding me? I'm married with kids.
So
of course I would like to buy some weed, you fucking idiot. Here is $50 for an eighth. That should give you money to buy enough Molly to have enough courage to fuck your hairy girlfriend in your TP tonight.
yes, it should.
Now please excuse me. I have to get to Aspen because I need to wake up early and go skiing. In my jeans. Because I'm comfortable skiing in my jeans, and I don't give a shit if you fags think it's weird. Goodbye.